I'm new to going in depth with privacy, and while researching online and YouTube, it seemed people have made it such a big issue to the point they believe everyone after them. Yeah, yeah, I think that it's a rabbit hole that's easy to fall down, right? Like, we're talking about very sensitive things, we're talking about personal data, we're talking about things that make you you, and we're talking about people going after that. What I care about, because there are people on all sides of the spectrum, right? You have people who probably actually don't have a lot to hide, in air quotes. That doesn't mean they shouldn't still value privacy, but they overall live, let's say, status quo, very normal. They don't do anything that really needs that much privacy. And then on the other end of the spectrum, you have people who are going against nation state actors who are in repressive areas, and they need to share sensitive information and their lives are on the line. If they don't have privacy, they're doomed, right? So we have the spectrum, and we have everything in the middle. What you need to watch out for to avoid this rabbit hole where you do too much or you become paranoid, etc., is you just need to reflect on, what do I actually need protection from? And is what I'm doing aligned with that goal, right? As long as what you're doing is in line with your realistic threat, then you're overall avoiding this problem. It's something to continually evolve and kind of think about, but it is something I see in this space. I want to know what are actual concerns and what I should focus instead of. Yeah, I think ask yourself, I want privacy because of, like, answer that question, right? Then you can go backwards. I think people just want to make themselves more private without actually asking what they're being more private for. So figure out what your concerns are for you, and then go backwards, and then try to find good workflows to solve just those problems.